So good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the natural numbers. So what is the natural numbers? Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3 up to infinite numbers. Infinite numbers are called natural number. Natural number are denoted by capital N. So capital N is denoted as a natural number. Now the counting numbers, when you are counting some numbers, then the counting numbers are called natural numbers. So writing a number in figures is called notation. Suppose a number you are writing, suppose 78, you are writing 78. So 78 is the notation of the number. So this is called notation. And if you write this in the words, then this is called numeration. That means if you write 78, so this is numeration. So when you are writing 78 in words, this is numeration. When in figures, this is notation. Pause the video to note it down. Now next topic is Hindu-Arabic system of writing numbers. Hindu-Arabic system of writing numbers. So what is this? So as we know that the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called digits. These are called digits. These are called digits of the number. Now, when you write the digits in groups, that means group of digits. So group of digits when you write, we get the numeral number. Suppose we write 432. So 432 means we are taking the numbers from here and write 432. So when you are writing 432, that means the group of digits are there. So this is called the numeral numbers. So when we choose group of numbers, group of digits, then we say that this is a numeral. Okay. And we are using place value system. We are using place value system to represent a number. So we are using place value system to represent a number. Okay. So Hindu-Arabic system of writing the number, that means 0 to 9 are the numbers are called digits, and this is the group of digits. If you write any group of digits, then this is called numeral, and we are using this for the place value system to represent a number. Now pause the video to note it down. Now numbers up to 5 digits. So numbers up to 5 digits. So what is the numbers up to 5 digits? So that means for a numeral we start from the extreme right. From the extreme right, suppose you are writing a number, for example 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now if 4, 3, 2, 1 is written over there, that means in this number we always calculating or writing the numbers using the from the last right hand side. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are using ones, tens, thousands, hundreds, thousand and lakhs and so on. So in this 5 digits number, 10,000 also be there. So 10,000. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs are so there. But for the 5 only, we are using ones, 10, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Now suppose a number is there 34651. Okay, this is a 5 digit number. So if I am discussing about this number and you expanded it, the very important part is expanded. So expanded it. If you expanded it, now how to expand? See that properly. How to expand? Suppose in the 5 digit number, 3 is the first number. So when 3 is written over there, and how many numbers are there after that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 numbers are there after that. So multiple of 1, then how many 0? Is basis on the numbers. How many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. That means 4 0. Okay. Next, plus 4 into. So after 4, how many numbers are there? 3 numbers are there. So multiple with 1 000. Clear? Plus next number is 6. So after 6, how many numbers are there? 2. That means 1 000. Next 5. After 5, how many numbers are there? 1. That means 10. And after 1, so no number, that means 1 is the ones part. So we can write here 1 into 1. Clear? So this is the expanded form of 34651. Okay, 34651 expanded form is this. I am repeating this again. So see that when we are writing 3, that means 3 into, after 1, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Next, plus 4. For 4, see that for 4 into 1, how many numbers are there after 4? 1, 2, 3. That means 3 zeros. Okay? Plus 6. How many numbers are there after 6? 2. That means 0 0. 2 0. See that? 2 numbers are there. That means 2 0. After 5, one number is there. That means 1 0. And after 1, no number is there. That means only 1. 1 into 1. Clear? So this is the expanded form of the numbers. And one more thing, that is when you are writing this, if zeros are involved here, then no expanded form we are using over there. Suppose if the number is 20509, if the number is 20509, so that means 2 into, how many numbers are there after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means, see that, 4 zeros, plus 0, no place value, and no expanded we need. Okay, next number, only numerical we are going on. For the natural number, 0 is not natural number. Mind it, 0 is not a natural number. So 5, next number 5. So 5 into, how many numbers are there after 5? 2 numbers, 0 and 9. So 100, 2 0. And again 0. So no. Next 9, only 9 into 1. Okay. So when you are getting zeros in the numbers, you have to expand the number, then ignore these zeros and corresponding numbers. Okay? Now, pause the video, note it down. Now in the next part, number system extended further. So number system extended further. So how it works? Number system extended further. Now see that we know that the largest 5-digit number, largest 5 digits number is 59. Okay, so 59 is the largest 5-digit number. So we are starting with 5 digit because we have already discussed about the 5 digit up to 10,000. Okay, so this is up to 10,000. That's why we are starting with the 5 digit number. Now after that, if you add 1 on it, so add 1 on it, we get 99999 plus 1. That means 1 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, that means 100,000. That means 100,000, or we can say that this is 1 lakh. Okay, so what is this? This is the smallest 6-digit number. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. So 1 lakh, that means 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Now repeatedly when we are doing this, repeatedly, that means we are now taking the largest 6-digit number. So if you take the largest 6-digit number, means this one. Okay, similarly you have to add 1 9 here, and we get 10 lakh. We get 10 lakh, which is the smallest 7-digit number, which is the smallest 7-digit number. So similarly we can process this up to crore or 10 crore, like that. So we can say that after taking largest 7-digit number, largest 8-digit number, largest 9-digit number, we are proceed in the crore or 10 crore. So this is the process of the number system extended further. So we are following this process for the extended the numbers in the simple method. Now we are discussing about the periods. So what is the periods? So periods means we are denoting or putting the numbers in the format. So what is the format? So we are separate the various place. We are separate the various place into the period. So what is the periods? We know that the periods are crores, lakhs, thousands, and ones. The mainly 4 periods we are using for number clarification or number values, to see the numbers in the proper way. Okay, so if you write the periods properly, and you have to use the comma, see that the comma is given here. So that means you have to use the commas after ones, after thousand, after lakhs, like that. Okay, so suppose I am writing a number. First write the period. So period, crore, lakh, thousand, and ones. So in crore, we can write 10 crore. In short, we are writing TC, that means 10 crore and crore. So two things are there in crore, 10 crore and crore. And in lakh, 10 lakh, that means TT and TL. 10 lakh and lakh. Okay? 10 lakh and lakh. Similarly for 1000, 10,000 and 1000. Similarly for ones, 100, 10 and ones. Okay? So 10 crore, crore, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Suppose anyone give a number, suppose number 1, any number you are putting over there, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 6. Okay, so this is a number, so you have to write it in the words. So this is the process of writing in the words. That means in the crore, in the C, 7 is there. That means 7 crore. See that? 53 in the lakhs. That means 53 lakhs. Into 1,000. That means 21,000. And 56. No 100 is there, so only 56. For another example, we can say that 4, 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 3, 0, 0. So for this example, see that for 4, 5 in the crore, that means 45 crore. Lakhs, see that 3, 0, that means 30 lakhs. Now 1000 in the 1000, 3000, only 3000. No tens is there, only 3000. And 300, no tens and swords are there, so only 300 you have to write. So if you write in numerically, then we are using the comma. How to use the commas? Right? See that if you writing this one, suppose this number, then see that 7 from the, we are writing from the back side. So 6, 5, 0, comma 1, 2, comma 3, 5, comma 7. So using comma is a very important part of this type of things. Okay, using comma is a very important part. So 7 crore, 53 lakhs, 21,056. Similarly, we can write this also. Students can also use another method like this one, 45, 3, 0, 0, 3, 3, 0, 0. Like this they can count. The firstly from back side 3 numbers, then 2. Okay. So firstly from the back side 3 numbers, then 2. So 3, 0, 0, then comma, then 0, 3, comma, 0, 3, 0, 3, comma, and 4, 5. Clear? So see that. So 45 crore, 30 lakh, 3,300. Okay. So this is 45 crore, 30 lakh, 3,300. Now pause the video to note it down. Now see that in the same format you have to write in the words. So one number is there, I am writing one number, 983754 So you have to write this in the words. So when you write in the words, you have to check which belongs to the period, which period belongs to the number. So 98 belongs to the crore, 37 in the lakhs, and 58 in the thousand and 275 in the ones. So when you are writing the numbers into the words, use this format first. Write the crore, lakh, thousand, ones, and TC, that is 10 crore, crore, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundred, 10 and ones. This format you have to use in every time for writing the numbers in words or writing the words into the numbers. We always use this format. Mind it, this is very important format, and you have to mind it in every step of this chapter. Okay, so now 98 is the 98 crore. So write it 98 crore. 98 crore, 37 lakh, 37 lakh, 54,000, 54,000, 275, 275. Okay, so 98 crore, 37 lakhs or lakh, 54,000 and 275. Okay, this is the in words, number to words, and words to number you have to convert. Same process. That means you have to write in this format, crore, lakh, thousand, ones, and then you have to write the words from the number. Now, the very important topic, that is face value and place value. So what is the face value? The face value means, see that, so what is the face value? Face value. So what is the face value? The face value of a digit, the face value of a digit in a numeral means we know that the number is the value of the value of the digit itself. Very important part, digit itself. So digit itself, this is a very important, digit itself, at whatever place it may be, at whatever place it may be. So the face value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. Okay, suppose for example the number is given 83496. Suppose given 83496. This is the number given, and you have to find the place value of 6. So face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 6 is 6. What is the face value of 8? The face value of 8 is 8. Same. The face value of the 4. The face value of 4 is 4. Okay. So this is the face value. The face value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. So this is the face value of a number. Now we are going to discuss about the place value. So what is the place value? Place value means the position of the value. Okay, place means position. We know the place means position. So place value means the position of the value. So in the place value, see that when you are finding the place value, the place value of a digit equals to face value of the digit into the value of the place. Face value of the digit and into value of the place. So face value of the digit into value of the place. So for example, suppose we are writing 25321. We already discussed in the expanded form. See that 25351. You have to find the place value. Normally we are using, see that, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Already we know that. What is? That is already in the period we are got it. So 2 in the 10,000, 5 in the 1,000, 3 in the 100, 2 in 10, and 1 is ones. Okay. So if we find the place value of 2, that means 2 into, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, after 1, how many zeros? 4 zeros. That means we can write 20,000, comma after 3 numbers from the right. Okay. So this is 20,000. Next, 5. So 5 into how many numbers? 3. So that means 5,000. Next, 3. 300. Next, 210. Next, 1. Okay, so this is the place value. So place value of 2 is 20,000. Place value of 5 is 5,000. Place value of 3 is 300. Place value of 2, 20. And place value of 1 is 1. Okay, place value of 1 is 1. So this is the place value of a number. So the content of the exercise up to this, okay, you just read the examples properly and read the contents again and again for cope up properly, and in the next class we are starting our exercise. Thank you all, take care, bye bye.